Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Naughty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my jumbo knotless box braids. This is the second video on me doing jumbo knotless. Part 1 is on how I pre-part. You guys should definitely go take a look at that if you haven't already. I am not a fan of large braids, let alone jumbo, but I think after this video, after doing these knotless braids, I'm addicted and I might even try them on myself. Right now the video's sped up, but after this is done, I'm going to explain to you guys exactly what I'm doing. Today I'm going to be using my handy dandy edge wax. You guys can use whatever you like, whether it be edge control, jam, eco styler, whatever. I'm using edge wax for her hair. It works. It's very important that you put a generous amount of edge control, edge wax, whatever you're using on the hair to lay it down. If you want that sleek look, put extra. But if you don't, if you can braid and lay everything down without using all that extra stuff, then by all means. After everything's laid down and smooth, I'm gonna go ahead and part 3 section, braid each section once. I like to feed in the hair with my left hand and grab the hair with my right hand. So every time that my right hand is open to grab hair, that's when I feed in more hair. I'm only feeding the hair according to the thickness of the braid, so I want to make sure that I keep that same consistency throughout the whole braid until I reach the end of the braid. It's very important that you take your time when doing these. These are jumbo braids, so any mistake that you make, it will show. There are tons of other methods when it comes to knotless as well as traditional. If you guys would like for me to do a video on the different methods, then let me know. I can do something for you guys. Just leave a comment down below in my comment section and I'll definitely make it happen. As always, I'm gonna add some edge wax just to make sure everything's laid down and blended. You guys, don't be afraid to add product. Product is gonna help to make sure that there's no flyaways, or at least that there's minimal amount of flyaways. So don't be afraid to use the product. Also, when you're braiding, try your best to make sure that the natural hair is at the bottom of the hair so that the braiding hair is on top. While I'm braiding, I try my best to tuck in the natural hair so that their hair is tucked away and protected. I'm gonna show you guys a couple more box braids and I'll see you guys when we get to the finished look.
just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. So tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Tired of trying just for you to leave. I was so sad just staring at my phone. Now I'm glad you're gone, I'd rather be alone. I can't believe I got to write 20 songs about you to make you just have a clue all the shit you put me through. Call you a penny, call you a penny, call you a penny in the freezer. Call you a penny, call you a penny, call you a penny in the freezer. No, 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 no. Said it's time to let it go. Yeah, it's time for me to go over you. 'Cause I'm fine, yeah, I'm done over you. Don't miss me like you should. Said I'm done, da 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 da.
Now that I'm completely done with braiding, she did ask for me to curl her ends. So with the hair that is left out, I did add mousse to it so that I can curl her ends with curling rods.
Don't you think we should have taken the fall?
This is what the style looks like now that I'm done. Everything came out exactly how she wanted. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe.